Hi, my name is Rachel, and I welcome you to Deliciously Easy Keto Recipes. Today's keto recipe is Keto Chili Black Bean Pork Cabbage Stir Fry. Preparation time for this recipe is 5 minutes. Cooking time for this recipe is also 5 minutes. This recipe is for one person only. Ingredients for this recipe are 150 grams minced pork, 20 grams red bell pepper, cut into thin strips, 20 grams shallots, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon chili black bean paste, and 75 grams cabbage, shredded. Procedure. Sear pork in a non-stick pan until brown and fat is rendered. Add shallots and bell peppers. Sauté until aromatic. Add chili black bean paste. Stir well. Add cabbage and toss for 1 to 2 minutes. Serve hot. Nutritional information. This recipe contains 290 kilocalories of energy, 33 grams, 49% of protein, 13 grams, 39% of fat, 9 grams, 12% of carbohydrates, and 3 grams of fiber. Now, let's prepare it.